All right, in today's video, we're going to talk about email marketing strategies for small businesses. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Michael Tandarich. In my 20s, I built a 7-figure marketing agency, and in my 30s, I'm giving all the marketing strategies away for free through my free newsletter called The Midweek Marketer. If you'd like to sign up for that, click in the link in the description below. All right, so email marketing is super powerful for businesses, and here's why. A lot of people focus on building their social media profiles or running ads or any of that kind of stuff, which is great, and you should do that. However, you don't own that data. And what I mean by that is Mark Zuckerberg or the guys over at Google or Elon Musk can just at any point decide they're going to change the algorithm and your content is going to get viewed less, which means you're going to have to spend more advertising dollars to be seen by more people, even if they are already your followers. So building or having an email list is super important for any business because it allows you to keep and have that data. And people that run social media platforms can't take that information away from you. All right, so what I'm going to do is not only am I going to break down email marketing strategies, but I'm also going to break down how to bring in email leads. And the email leads is important because that determines what your email marketing strategy is. What I mean by that is what's someone's intention when they give you their email address? Are they getting a free offer and then they're expecting more things? Are they joining a newsletter and expecting to get free weekly value like my Midweek Marketer newsletter, link in the description below? The point is the entry point and the intention that they're giving their email address for you determines what your email marketing strategy is most of the time. So let's break down a couple of those. The first one is a freebie. Now, everyone and their mother talks about this. I personally hate freebies, but if executed right, they work really well. But they literally leave such a bad taste in my mouth that's because so many people have done it. And this is where the bad taste comes in. Offering a free PDF that you just put together in ChatGPT, doing another online webinar, like everyone and their mother, and then upselling people. If you are going to do a free offer, you want to be able to provide them so much value that they want to stay with you. You definitely don't want to be doing some kind of freebie where they sign up, get the free offer, and they just dip because they don't care about anything else you have. I'll give you a fantastic example on this. I had a client where we essentially ran a free virtual conference. And in that conference, we had hundreds of speakers come in on a specific topic, and everyone signed up for free and gave us their email address to be able to enjoy that conference. And then we gave them more information on the company, and a lot of those people stayed on the email list. The reason we were able to pull that off is it was only free for a certain amount of days, and then you had to pay to get access to it. But the point is that that was technically a freebie. Now, that wasn't a ChatGPT type PDF, or it wasn't another webinar where we're going to talk to you about generic stuff for an hour and then upsell you on a course. The point is that we thought outside the box and built something completely free that people wanted to sign up for because they got so much value from it. Another example is Alex Hormozi. When he launched his $100 million leads book, he had an entire live stream, basically conference, and it gave away a bunch of courses that was just basically a clone of his book in video format. But the point is he gave all this information away for free to the point that people wanted to buy his book because the value was so over the top. And to break this down even more, if I wanted to sell you this pen and I said, hey, the pen's $10, you probably wouldn't buy that because just the pen in itself at $10 is pretty expensive. But if I said, I'll sell you this pen for $10 and you get an hour-long meeting with me to do our marketing strategy. I'll also do your marketing for a year included. I'll also give you all my courses that I don't have, but I'll give you all those courses for free. And then I'll also give you a $1,000 gift card. The value of that is way more than $10. We're still selling the $10 pen, but the value that comes with it far outweighs the $10 that it takes to buy this pen. My point is with your freebie, because you are providing so much value, they want to give you their email address and then eventually want to buy from you because you have given them so much free stuff. Well, and by free stuff, I mean value, because free stuff can be junk most of the time. Provide a ton of value with your free offer, and that's going to convert a lot of people. And please do not do a ChatGPT PDF, like the 10 best things. Just don't do that. Please don't do that. Okay, the next one is having some sort of newsletter for your business. The reason I love this is because people are signing up for your newsletter to get weekly or daily or however you want to set it up value from you. So they're saying, yes, I want reoccurring value from you. My newsletter, for example, has about 3,500 people signed up for it. And every single week, I give one actual marketing strategy that they can use in their marketing or their small business that I'm using with my clients over on my marketing agency. And honestly, a lot of the people that have signed up for these newsletters have utilized the strategies that I've given and have seen exponential growth in their businesses. So if you want to sign up, click the link in the description below. The point is that no matter what business you have, it could be an HVAC business, it could be a wedding photographer. The point is you can set up a newsletter for your business and provide weekly value to the people on your email list. So let's say you are a service-based business like that HVAC business. You could provide a weekly newsletter on how to keep up to date with your heating and cooling systems. So once a week, you send them a tip on how to keep their heating system up to date, how they can save money with their energy bill every single week. That was just off the top of my head. You'd have to workshop that a bit, but the point is that you can provide weekly value to someone no matter what business you have. Okay, the next way to collect emails in the email marketing strategy that goes with that is discounts. This is used a lot with online stores, courses, e-com stores, any of those type things. You have to be careful with this because this is also overplayed. If you go to literally any online store, you get a pop-up in the face of, hey, get 10% off if you give us your email and your phone number and your social security card and your bank routing info. The point is you can collect email addresses by providing a discount on your services or your product. However, the intention that someone has with that is just to give you their email so they get the value of the free money off. So the point is that in order to keep them on your email list, instead of them just willy-nilly just handing it to you and unsubscribing after they get their discount, offer it with some kind of free offer or free value that is so over the top they want to stay on your email list. Okay, the next way is in the sales process. So let's say you're running ads and people call your business and they're trying to schedule a service with you. Your sales rep should know that when that happens, they need to collect that person's email address and put it into the system. And then what you'll do is take that email and have weekly value that goes out to them. This is similar to that newsletter piece, but the point is especially if you're selling larger type projects, you want to collect that email address and then give them just a bunch of free information to the point that when they are ready to purchase, they call you up because you've been giving them so much free value. Okay, so those are the four main categories. There's other ways to get emails, but majority of the time what you want to do is you want to be able to post in your social media profiles to your followers or run Facebook ads to collect email leads for your free offer or your newsletter and bring people into your email list. But the point is that once they're on your email list for your small business, you want to provide them with so much value that they would feel dumb leaving that email list. People are still going to unsubscribe. People are still going to do that, but you're never just going to retain all the people on your email list. But your main goal is to provide so much value that they want to stay. If you'd like to sign up for my midweek marketer newsletter and get one actual marketing strategy to your email inbox every single week, click the link in the description below. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to watch the last one, click here. If not, I will see you in the next video.